Hi guys, I'm going to be unboxing the iPad Pro 11-inch 4th generation. Here we go. Ooh, here's the iPad. Ta-da! So this is what the back looks like, and you can see my engraving right here. So I have instructions, the Apple stickers, and then, I don't know, it's just the charging cable along with the adapter. And then that's it for the box. This is the midnight green iPad Pro 11-inch case from Amazon. So I'm just gonna open it and then put it on the iPad once it's done being set up. This is what it looks like empty. And now this is with the iPad in. So I'm also going to be adding a paper-like screen protector for writing notes. Alright, so now I'm going to be opening the paper feel screen protector from Amazon. Okay. So I think this is it. Let's see what else is in here. So now I'm going to assemble this. And here's the final product. It took a while to put on because my mom did most of the work. Alright guys, it's a few days later and the Apple Pencil came. So I'm going to be unboxing this. Alright, here we go. Ta-da! Okay. So these are instructions, more instructions. Oh wow, it's really soft. Now I'm going to pair. Alright, so far I was able to connect it, so now I'm going to try writing on the GoodNotes app. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.